At Jim Mater Homes, real estate isn't just about a transaction. It's about helping people with the biggest purchase of their life. Sometimes it's selling a home and downscaling. Sometimes it's buying their first home. Sometimes it's investing in a business property. We're here to walk our clients through a process that can sometimes be difficult. And there's lots of questions that come up, lots of things that happen in the process till we get to the closing table. And we're just here to walk people through that and help them and answer all their questions. I'm Jim Mater from Jim Mater Homes. We're here to help and here to serve. And we look forward to meeting you soon.